everyone, I am Minaxi. Today, I would like to share a simple method that helps me manage pending WhatsApp replies more effectively. Earlier, it was difficult to track which messages were still awaiting a response or which conversations required my follow-up. As the number of chats increased, there was a chance of missing important messages or delaying responses. To solve this, I started using the star message feature available in WhatsApp. Whenever I receive a message that requires a reply later, or if I'm waiting for a customer's response, I simply mark that message as starred. All starred messages are stored in one dedicated section, making it easy to view and manage pending conversations whenever needed. Once I have replied to the message or received the required response, I remove the star and the message is automatically removed from the pending list. This simple practice helps me stay organized, ensures timely follow-ups, and reduces the chances of missing important customer communications. Small improvements like these can make daily work more efficient and productive. Thank you.